What it is, baby. Oh, what's up? I really want to keep in touch. Subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Wow, wow. I'm good. No, I got it. I'm good. I'll be all right. I have so many videos that I want to share with you guys, but I'm going to show you guys my skates. Hey, I was so excited when these hit my door. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description box where I got these. They're super, super cute. When I opened these, I heard glitter. When I opened it up and bit into it, it was glitter. I love every part. The wheels, the stopper, the skin, the boot. I love it. Guess what? Girl, what? Them vegan? Yep. How you know? How you know? These are vegan. I do have leather jackets and leather shoes, but I'm not gonna participate in buying anymore, if that answered anybody's questions. Animals are friends, not food and coat. Look at this boot. It fell off a cloud from heaven. The skates are so freaking pretty. Look at the wheels. They got glitter in them. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Glisten. Just glisten. Glisten. Clearly, they came with pretty wheels, but you know me. I have to do my own little touch. My touch is brought to you by Luminous wheels that glow and light up as you skate. The link will be in the description box. So pretty smooth. Oh yeah, I'm about to pop these boys on. Come with me. You know you want to see how they look on. All glowing and stuff. Would it be mine if I didn't personalize it? I love puff paint. At first, these was like, ooh. When I get done, they're gonna be like, I crack myself up in real life. This is not jokes. I repeat, this is not jokes. Did I tell y'all my son make my beats? This is a family business, okay? Jimmy Champ. I never changed my own wheels before. This is my first time doing this, so it took me a while to get it together. I was 100% sure that I wanted a different color on each wheel. That's for sure. You can tell I didn't know what I was doing because I did not even remove the bearings. I just tried to slide the wheel on. I was like, let me go watch a YouTube video and I'll be right back. I'm not one of the people who are quick to ask others to do stuff for me. Always try to figure something out on your own first before you get help. If someone else can do it, so can you. You might not be a pro at everything, but you could try. I really just can't wait to get this done so I can see how they look. Break them in real nice. I got my little tool from Amazon. They had a bunch of colors, but I like this color the best. Amazon also had the Luminous wheels for sale, but when I went to pick the colors I wanted, they did not have all of them, so I had to pass and find them somewhere else. If I want something, I will get it. I will find it. I will get it. I will hunt you down. Skating is so much fun. It's a great exercise. It's really a good activity for the body. Skating, swimming, riding my bike, those are my top faves of all time. I'm about to add skateboarding and longboarding to the list, so I cannot wait, and I'm definitely going to include the learning process on my show because I want to encourage you to do whatever you want at any age. It's never too late. It took me about an hour because I did 5 pair of skates. I wanted to get it all one and done all at the same time. The older skates that are used, it was hard popping the bearings off because they were kind of rusted. So that's why it took about an hour. These are Jordies, super cute. The boys are all black with light up wheels. I actually have 2 pair of roller skates and my first pair all black boot, so it's a little more low key, but I did add a couple light up wheels on that pair as well. What I feel I want to do is take the light up wheels off my black boots and just keep my Fomac wheels on there. Oh, clearly they are working. And they are so cute. I cannot wait to hit the wood. Love Moan. Duh. Breaking them in for the win. All my hard work paid off because I am loving these. I love them so much. They so dope, so fresh. Yes, everybody gonna be like, where you get them from, girl? Oh my god. Be free, butterfly. Stop worrying about what people think because opinions are not more important than how you feel. Breaking news, your feelings are real. Anyway, more important than social distancing, are you guys eating healthy? Love yourself. I love you. I love you so much. I'm gonna keep making content for you to subscribe and share. One love, my baby. Until next time, beautiful beings. I love you so much. I followed you today.